Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear me well. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, because everybody chime in from different places. While listening to the video, I would like for you to put in the comments section hashtag replay if you're seeing this after the actual recording. This morning, I wanted to talk to you about the 5 keys to starting a new career. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I've started a new career, and it's from my home. It's a home-based business, and it's very successful in many different ways. Communication, learning how to engage, making money. That's the most important thing, because I've been out of a job since almost 3 years. Feels great to participate, helping my husband do what he does best, provide and love and care for us. Learning how to do my business the correct way. And so I figured I'll come on and I'll tell you a little bit about how to start your new career. I've written some things down in one of my books that I'm reading. I started to read again because I started this book many years ago, and I have written down some things in the book. And it's John C. Maxwell's Developing the Leader Within You. And if you are a true leader and you care about your people, good morning. Good morning. Thank you so much. What you want to do in developing true leadership, you have to be able to give people value. And that's one of the things that I'm learning in the platform that I'm working on. And so far, so good. I'm developing the leader within myself. And so I wanted to, like I said, give you the 5 keys to starting a job or new career correctly. And for you and I, hopefully you all are considering having your own home-based business. I've been posting my results in my storyline. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. And I also try to leave you value within my storyline. This is 5 keys to starting a job correctly. So welcome. Number 1 is you have to have on-the-job training. No matter what job you go to or what career you start or what home-based business you have to have training. And in our SSM group, we have training every day. And it's up to you to get the training that you need, okay? Number 2 is you got to learn your job's description. How do you learn your job description? You find out what it is that you supposed to do, and you do it. Okay, so within SSM, we have a step-by-step method. ABC 1, 2, 3. I know you've heard me say that several times, but you have to know what your job description is. You have to know what it is that you need to do in order to do your home-based business, new career, or job correctly and efficiently, productively, effective, and efficiently every single day. You have to be able to do that. Number 3, having the proper tools to do the job. Do you know the things that you need to do in order to be successful? Okay, so within SSM, we have a members area, and that's where we go to get all the information we need to do daily. We have daily tasks that we do, and that's how we get paid. We get paid by doing those income-producing activities. And so when you do those income-producing activities, that's how you get the proof. Good morning. Good morning, sister. Denise Walker. So anyway, you want to make sure that you do the proper things. And in our members area, we have our income-producing activities that we do in order to earn the income that we're earning. And yes, we get paid while we learn. And that's why it's so awesome. I'm like, man, if I had known it was this easy to just do the work and get paid and learn at the same time, I would have been doing this, but I didn't know. I didn't know that not that the work is easy, because you're going to have to put your work in. Don't act like you ain't going to have to do no work. So if you come in the SSM because you think you're going to make some easy money, that ain't it. No, because you have to apply the work. You have to put your hands to the plow, okay? Don't let mama fuss at you. You know, we want it easy, but honey, life ain't easy. I was telling somebody the other day, in my first marriage, yes, I've been married 3 times, but third time's a charm, honey. I got the best man in the whole wide world. My first husband taught me to adapt and overcome, and that's what I had to do. So in life, you have to adapt and overcome. You got to figure out what it is that you got to do and get it done. Don't wait. Don't be sitting up waiting for other folks to do for you what you can do for yourself, okay? If somebody giving you a plan, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, plan, description, how you need to do what you need to do, follow the plans. Don't try to go all out the way and do stuff on your own cognizance. You need to learn what it is that you have to do and follow it. That's how you get paid. Okay? So don't go all off, because I know how it is. You start something, you say, well, I know how to do this. But that business or that platform was there before you got there. Develop your own business and do what you want to do in your business. But when you get into doing the platform, you need to do it the way it's done so you'll know how to be successful. Okay? So make sure you have the proper tools to get it done. And with SSM, we have the members area where we go get our things done. Okay? And number 4, have a vision and catch the vision. Okay? And what I mean by that is, see, I have a vision for my ministry. I have a vision for the women's reach out group that I have, the Strengthen Out of Women's group. We have a reach out ministry. And when I came to this platform, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to engage with these people. I didn't know how to draw people to me. So with this platform, I had to learn how to brand myself and be me. And all the people, I used to tell my kids when they were in school, you go to school and you be yourself. You be yourself, and everybody that's like you is going to be drawn to you. See, we don't have to try to imitate or emulate somebody else, or try to, imitate. Because you want to emulate success, okay? You want to do what successful people do. But what you don't want to do is try to be somebody else that you're not. So once you do what you're supposed to do for you and be all that you were created to be, there are people waiting on you, and they are going to be drawn to you. So you keep doing that, okay? The vision that I have for my businesses, right? The vision that I have, excuse me, y'all, with stuff all over my screen. The vision that I have for my businesses, right? I didn't know how to do what I had in my mind to do. So I had to have somebody come along to teach me how to do what I need to do. And that was through SSM. So I learned how to do what I needed to do. I had a vision, but I didn't know how to articulate it, or I didn't know how to implement it. And so I got instructions on how I need to do what I need to do. Okay? So I caught the vision of SSM, and I began to apply it in my life with the engagement, okay, with the results and engaging with people and branding myself. And this is how I know I wear my wrap every day, y'all. And it's a reason for that too. But I'm curling my hair. So my wrap got a new do today, y'all. So anyway, you want to catch the vision, but not only do you want to catch the vision, you want to apply that vision of the platform that you're trying to emulate, okay? Number 5, that's the last one, communication. The 5th key is communication. You have to have effective, efficient communication. You got to be able to communicate. And if you want to be a great leader, you got to care about the people. You got to care about the people that you're trying to reach out to. Okay? Your niche. The people that you're trying to communicate with. You have to let them see you. You have to be able to communicate with them. That's why you have to ask the questions. What do you want? What do you desire? What are your experiences? How can I help you? You understand? Bring out the leader within yourself. Okay? And those are my 5 keys, okay, for starting a new career, okay? Let's reiterate. You gotta make sure that you get your training. Number 2, you gotta make sure that you know your job description so you can effectively and efficiently produce. Number 3, have the proper tools to do the job, okay? To do the work. You got to know what you need to have in order to do the job efficiently. You ever been on a job and they didn't train and they just put you in a position and you're like, darn, I don't even know what to do. I'm standing here looking like a nutty buddy. But guess what? There are people out here that are trying to help those that are hungry, that want it. And Miss Amanda Ray is one of those people, and she has helped me in so many ways. I'm coming out of my shell, baby. I'm learning how to brand me. And I love me for who I am, because what I have something that somebody needs. And everybody wants to feel needed, right? Yeah, sure they do. And everybody want to feel loved. All right, so number 4. Oh, wait a minute. That was number 2. Number 3, have the proper tools to do the job. Yes. Number 4, have the vision and catch the vision. Know what it is that you want to do, but learn how you need to implement that thing and make that thing come to pass. Bring it to fruition, right? And number 5, communicate. As I communicate to you today, I hope that you know that you're the key to someone else's blessing. As always, you are the key to someone else's blessing. And I hope you know that today. You go out here today and you make it a beautiful day, and make sure that you love yourself and continue to take care of yourself, because if you don't, baby, who's going to take care of you? Miss Terza loves you, and you continue to be a great leader, and bring on out that leader within yourself. I love you. God bless you. Have an awesome day. Leaders, let's go do it. Okay, today is your day. Oh, yeah, and don't forget, we have a webinar coming up too. Yes, sir. We got a webinar coming up tomorrow at 7 p.m. Don't you forget. Every Wednesday we have a webinar, and I want y'all to come and join me, okay? I look forward to seeing you there, but I also look forward to seeing you over the top. God bless you. We'll see you next time. Peace and love, y'all.